everyone, I'm Vicki and this is Space Creations, where I hope to inspire you every week to create the space that you love. This week I'm going to show you how easy it is to install some plug-in wall sconces. You guessed it, the ones right behind me above my bed. Are you ready? Let's get started. I wanted something that was modern, sleek, and simple for the wall sconces, and I chose these ones. They actually come from Home Depot, believe it or not, and I've linked them in the description below. They act as simple wall candy to my picture, which is a true anchor of the space, as well as it really complements my new bed. So I really am pleased with this purchase. I wanted my lighting to be consistent in my bedroom space, as I have my home office in the same zone. I have a 3 Globe floor lamp that really is slim, modern, and has the matte black finish. So I wanted my wall sconces to be consistent and have the same look and feel, and I think I've achieved that. As you can see, space is tight, so when my nightstands arrive, I do not want any lights taking up any real estate on them. So I opted for having some plug-in wall sconce. To me, what really makes this design is the bulb itself. I opted for a crystal vintage bulb that comes from CD2, and I've linked it in the description below, but it really gives a nice cascade, as you can see, on the wall, and it really looks nice at night. So it really adds a little texture to the space, which I absolutely love. Here's everything I need for this project today. I'm going to break in my new hammer drill. Yes, this is brand new and I can't wait to use it. Got a 3/16 drill bit because that's what the size of my anchor is, as well as some painter's tape, a ruler, a pencil, tape measure, and a leveler, plaster rack because I'm going to protect my new bed, as well as a tester. Don't want any accidents today. We're going to be testing for voltage as well as studs and metal. And of course, we've got to have our lights, and here they are. And here's our light bulbs. In the red packages, those are those mounting screws and anchors, everything I need to hang the lights up. As you can see, I've already done some prep work. All I did was make sure that I have a visual space of where I'm going to hang the wall sconces. I wanted to hang the wall sconces just in line with my picture. So all I did was put some green tape, which is just painter's tape, in a straight line, just so I can get some guidance of how to place the wall sconces. As well as I place green tape above, so this is the actual space where the wall sconces are. In the middle, I put the center of the wall sconce. This is where I'm going to be drilling 2 holes. As you can see, I've already planned where to place those holes, and I'll show you in a minute how I did that. This is an easy tip on how to ensure that you have the holes spaced out so the wall mounts are done correctly. Okay, all I did was place some painter's tape across the actual keyhole and straight down, and this gives you the length of the wall sconce. I poked holes right in the middle where you would put the anchor, as well as put the screws in the anchor to hang this sconce. So all you need to do is now put that tape on the wall. All right, before we drill, we need to make sure that there's no live wires or metal behind this. Ideally, you would like to mount pictures or the wall sconce with a stud, but because we have anchors, it's okay and it's not that heavy if we don't. So all we really need to do is calibrate this wonderful scan test. I picked this up at Canadian Tire, I think for about $30. It's a well worth tool to have, especially when you're hanging and mounting stuff on your walls. All right, all you need to do is just calibrate it and then just slowly go over the area that you are going to be drilling. Right now it's voltage that I have on, and there is absolutely nothing there, thank goodness. And if I just go over, there is right there a live wire. So nowhere near I'm going to be drilling, thank goodness. Now I'm just going to test it and move it over to metal. I'm going to calibrate it and going to do the same thing. Just slowly go over the area, and this is where I'm going to be drilling. So there's no metal. If you go over here, there is metal right here. So again, I'm still in a good area. All right, let's try this. There's a stud there, no studs. No studs where I am going to be drilling. All right, are you ready? It's hammer drill time. I just wanted to let you know that I put some painter's tape. This allows me to know exactly how far the depth is for the anchor. This is just a little trick that my friend taught me, which is easy to do, and it'll help me guide my way through since I really don't know how to use the gauge yet. I've covered my bed with plastic wrap and I don't want any sawdust on it. It's a brand new bed and I sure as heck don't want to sleep in sawdust tonight. Two done, two to go. Sorry that I have my back turned. We are in a very small space. Alrighty, now it's time to put those anchors in. Almost done, yay! Alrighty, just put the anchor in and just tap it in to go to make it flush with the wall. I'm going to take my tape off. As you can see, here's my little pencil marks to help me guide me when I was making sure that it is centered. I'm back with my star screwdriver and I've got the screws. So all you need to do is put it in until a little bit away from the anchor, just to hold the wall sconce on. Doesn't take much. Let's try that. Find out. Alrighty, it's mounting time. So all we need to do is match the screws in the keyholes and that will hold it. And voila! There you go. That's how we do it.